Hi everyone, I'm Anna. Welcome back to my channel where I teach you simple, natural English through my daily life. Before we start, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to support my channel. It really helps me create more lessons for you. Today, I'm going to share my morning routine. This video will help you learn useful vocabulary, daily expressions, and real-life English. So relax and enjoy my morning with me. I usually wake up around a.m. Sometimes I wake up earlier, and sometimes later, but a.m. is my normal time. The verb we use is wake up, which means to stop sleeping. When I wake up, I usually spend a moment just lying in bed. I stretch my arms and legs to help my body wake up. To stretch means to move your muscles to make them longer and more flexible. It feels so good in the morning. Then, I sit up slowly so I don't feel dizzy. The first thing I do is make my bed. This means I fix my blanket and pillows. It only takes a minute, and it makes my room feel clean and organized. It's a great way to start the day with a small accomplishment. Do you make your bed every morning? Let me know in the comments. After making my bed, I walk to the kitchen. The kitchen is my favorite place in the morning because I love making coffee. I usually drink a cup of hot coffee. Sometimes I drink tea, but most days, it's coffee. While the coffee is brewing, I take a moment to enjoy the quiet morning. I like mornings because everything feels calm and peaceful. A useful phrase you can use is, I usually drink a cup of. You can say, I usually drink a cup of coffee, or I usually drink a cup of tea. Another useful phrase is I take a moment to. For example, I take a moment to enjoy the quiet. When my coffee is ready, I sit down at the table. I take small sips and enjoy the warm taste. This is my quiet time before the day gets busy. I really value this part of my morning. It helps me feel centered and ready for whatever comes next. After coffee, I go to the bathroom to wash my face and brush my teeth. These two things help me feel fresh and awake. I use cold water on my face because it helps me feel more energetic. Then I brush my teeth for about 2 minutes. I also have a simple skincare routine. This just means the steps I take to care for my skin. I use a moisturizer to keep my skin from getting dry, and I always use sunscreen to protect my skin from the sun. I think taking care of my skin is important, even if the routine is short and simple. Now it's time for breakfast. My breakfast is usually simple. Some days I eat eggs and toast. Other days I eat fruit and yogurt. And sometimes I just have a light snack. Today, I'm making eggs and toast. First, I heat the pan. This means I make the pan hot on the stove. Then, I cook the eggs. I like them sunny side up, which means the yolk is runny, like a little sun. But you can make them however you like. While the eggs are cooking, I put some bread in the toaster to make toast. When everything is ready, I sit down and enjoy my meal. While I eat, I usually check my messages or plan my day. This helps me know what I need to do. Planning my day is a key part of my routine. After breakfast, I take a few minutes to organize my thoughts. I look at my schedule and write a small to-do list. A schedule is a plan of things that will happen, and a to-do list is a list of tasks you need to complete. Some common things on my list are work tasks, personal goals, cleaning or shopping, and ideas for my next video. This part of my morning helps me stay focused and productive. Productive means you are able to get a lot of things done. Then I choose my clothes for the day. I usually wear something comfortable, especially if I'm staying home or working on my videos. And that's my simple morning routine. Nothing too complicated, just small habits that make my day start peacefully and positively. It's about creating a calm and organized start so I can have a great day. Here are 3 phrases you can practice from today's video. Try to use them this week. First, I usually wake up at. For example, I usually wake up at 7:30 a.m. Second, I'm making breakfast. You can say this when you are in the kitchen in the morning. And third, I like to plan my day. This is a great habit for staying organized. If you enjoyed this video and learned some new English, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Your support means the world to me and helps me keep making these lessons. Thank you for spending the morning with me. I hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye.